We will guide you through how to save BMP file in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and load the image or project you want to save as a BMP file. Once the image is open, make sure all of your editing is finished and that the image is ready to be exported in its final form. Before saving, check the image dimensions and review the color mode to make sure the document is using settings that are appropriate for the BMP format. When everything looks correct, open the File menu at the top of Photoshop and select Save a Copy to create a separate copy of the image. Choose the location where you want the BMP file to be stored, such as a folder that is easy to find later. After selecting the location, open the Save as Type drop-down menu and look through the available file formats. Select BMP as the file format, so Photoshop will create the image as a bitmap file. Next, enter a clear and suitable name for the image, making sure it is easy to identify when you need to locate it later. Once the file name is correct, click Save to continue with the export process. Photoshop will then display the BMP options dialog box, so wait for this window to appear before continuing. In the BMP options dialog box, review the available settings and choose the BMP options required for your image. Make sure the selected settings match the way you want the final bitmap file to be saved. After checking the options, confirm the settings by clicking OK, then allow Photoshop to finish saving the file. Wait until the saving process is complete before closing the project or moving to another task. Finally, go to the location where you saved the image and find the new BMP file. Open the save file to check that it displays correctly and make sure the image looks as expected, confirming that the BMP export was completed successfully.